In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix a Samsung HMX-H100 camcorder that is malfunctioning. What may fix the issues with the camcorder is to restore it to factory settings. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So turn the camcorder on. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is push the mode button. Go here, here, go to default set, yes, so there you go. The camera has been restored to factory settings, and this may fix the malfunction. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.